What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about feature points. And feature points have just added something new. I'm gonna show you. I haven't been on it. I haven't been on it. This is all from today. I'm gonna show you. All right. As you can see, I haven't been on this in 2 months, and you see, look at these points that I've earned in the past couple hours. I think I had like 1,400 points. I done earned like 600 points past couple hours. As you can see, and look, you see, 2 hours, 2 hours. And you can see, I'm doing this right now. But now they don't have it on here. But they don't have it on here. But on your cell phone, they have where you can play the game. They got games you can download, and the longer you play, it's kind of like how in the beginning when feature points, you get on there, play for a couple minutes, and you earn points. Nah, this is that on steroids. Like now you can play the game, and if you want to stay on the game for 8 hours, you gonna earn points. You gonna earn points like crazy points now. Like because it started out like 30 something, and like here, like these past couple points, they've been let me look, it's been 57, 55. Like it's going up and up, because I've been doing it. I've been on it for like 2 hours, just playing this one game, and it just keeps on. It keeps on earning. I'm gonna refresh my page because I'm still on the game, but I'm not playing. It's still running in the background because I wasn't playing, because I'm doing this, shooting this video, but it's uh it's earning. Uh, Hold on for a minute. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick. Hold on. All right, all right, I'm back. All right, you probably can hear the game, but I'm on the game now. But I'm ready. And so I'm on here, and it said in 16 minutes. But I'm not gonna keep y'all on this video that long. But I just wanted to share that they have a new way to earn points, and it's, I guess because I mean people not engaging like they was with all, so they don't added something new, and this is free to join. I'm gonna leave my link in the description, and you can, when you sign up, you can get 50 points, and if you use your phone, this is, you go when you go on there, when you go on the app, it's gonna have play games, and it's brand new. I don't know if it just came out today, but I just got the notification, so I just jumped on and started playing to see if it really was what it was all about. And like I done earned about 600 some points. in the past couple hours, just being on the game. Like every 10, 15 minutes, I'm getting 50 points, 55 points. So if you're looking for a free way, it's free to join. It don't cost you nothing. You just only with this, you just gotta put in work. And and if you really want to really crush this, share your link. Share your link, then you get I think like 30 people, and every time you get 50% of their earnings. So if they earn 600, you get 300. So and if you share it enough and get just say you get 1,000 referrals, and they're earning like 3 to 5 thousand points a day, like between it all, like that's 1,500 points that you don't have to work for, and plus you can come on here because it's really easy now because all you gotta do is play the game. That's it. So I hope I hope you well I'm gonna put out content every day. I'm gonna just document it and just show you each day what's going on. So because I see that I see people are not really pushing feature points, but feature points has always been a good thing. But you got to put the work in because they pay. You just got to put the work in. So that's gonna be it for this video. Like, subscribe, share the content. If you and it's hard times now anyway, so this would be a way you could earn some cash for free. Like, subscribe, and all the people that's watching my channel that's not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Let's go. Peace.